Good day, everyone!
We're going to show you how to prove sigma notation using
Mathematical induction!
And
here is our problem.
We're going to prove.
Ta-da!
Charan!
Today, the problem that we are going to show you is the sum of the quantity of 2i minus 1 squared from 1 to n equals to n times the quantity of 2n minus 1 times the quantity of 2n plus 1 divided by 3.
And now for the first step, which is the verification. Since we have to prove it all for all natural numbers, we will start with 1. So n is equal to 1. We will substitute all the n to number 1. So it will be quantity 2 times 1 minus 1 quantity squared equals 2 times quantity 1 minus 1 quantity times quantity 2 times 2 plus 1 all over 3. So the answer will be 1 is equal to 1. So they are equal, so it is true and verified. We will verify up to n is equal to 3. So you will do it all over again until you substitute the n to 3. Remember the first process, which is the verification. You will just only substitute the given numbers to n and solve the problem.
So in the induction hypothesis, we will assume that n is equals to k and we will be finding the next term here. In the problem, quantity squared 2n minus 1 is equals to n times the quantity of 2n minus 1 times the quantity of 2n plus 1 over 3. Next is, we will find the next term using quantity squared 2k minus 1. Since we are finding the next term, instead of k, we will use k plus 1. So, in the quantity of 2 times the quantity of k plus 1 minus 1. After solving this, you will get quantity squared 2k plus 1 or 4k squared plus 4k plus 1.
So now we'll be moving on to the proof of induction, where we will prove that the given problem is true for all natural numbers.
The third step is the proof of induction, wherein we will be making two columns, and the first column is labeled as adding the next term. And you will be substituting k into all of the n in the given equation. So k times quantity 2k minus 1 times 2k plus 1 over 3 plus the next term, which is quantity squared 2k plus 1. And after solving this, you will be getting 4k cubed plus 12k squared plus 11k plus 3. And in the second column, which is labeled as substituting n equals k plus 1. So the formula is quantity k plus 1 times 2 times quantity k plus 1 minus 1 times 2 times quantity k plus 1 plus 1 over 3. And after solving it, you will be getting quantity k plus 1 times 2k plus 1 times 2k plus 3 over 3. And the final answer will be 4k cubed plus 12k squared plus 11k plus 3 over 3, which is also the same in the first column.
Therefore, I conclude that the statement of the sum of the quantity of 2i minus 1 squared from 1 to n is equal to n times the quantity of 2n minus 1 times the quantity of 2n plus 1 over 3 for all natural numbers is true.